Hi everyone, I would like to do a little unboxing with you. This package has just arrived from China and I have ordered some different types of gold leaf to experiment with. So I haven't actually opened anything yet in the box. So I've ordered some imitation gold. Okay, we're going to open that in a second. So I just wanted to test out some of their products. So I've bought like minimum order of real gold and a decent amount of imitation to try. Oh, 24 karat gold. Okay, let's break the seal. 20 sheets. Okay, everything is really beautifully wrapped. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, can you hear the rain? It's raining really hard today. And my dog's also snoring, so you might hear that too. Now, let me be very careful here. Okay, so here is some of the 24 karat gold. Okay, so what I'm going to do later on, I'm going to make a video where I'm going to compare the imitation and the real gold, and we're going to look at the differences side by side and discuss like when to use real gold, when to use imitation gold. Oh my god, it's raining so loudly now. Okay, so I'm just opening up these envelopes here. Use my knife. Okay, so this must be some type of imitation. So the imitation gold leaf is larger and it's 14 by 14. The color is gorgeous. Can't wait to experiment with it and see how it looks. And then we've got this large box here, which I think is 1,000 pieces of imitation gold leaf, 14 by 14. I love this box. So glamorous. Oh, that is going to keep me going for a while. That's a lot. 1,000 sheets. Oh, look at the side where you can see all the gold. Anyway, so I'm going to experiment with all of this, get it all sorted, and make another video to show you how it all looks. But I'm really happy. I'm going to put the name of the supplier and their details in the description. Bye.